You're up, man. Go ahead. Woo! Is that it? Come on. Get on it, Lucky. Woo! You almost slept through it. You did, yeah. Oh, different. Wow, a little different tone there. How about one more? Come on. You can't be itching. You got a new flea collar on. I've doused you in it. So it's not really the fleas or any flea. Is it your vocal cords vibrating that get you itchy? A little bit. Is that it? Like, ooh, oh, yeah. Is that lizard up there? Yeah, I know. You was sleeping pretty good right there under the table. Go on outside. Alright, go check on that squirrel. I think you got him on Prozac or something now. Alright. Roger, Roger. 10-4, over and out.